Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by parsing the question precisely, identify command words and scope so your answer stays on target. Once done, gather 3-5 crisp facts, policy examples, or dates that will anchor your argument. Next, use AI to draft a 3-5-point outline with headings and a thesis. Ask the model for concise topic sentences and a recommended time split. This speeds your first draft and prevents aimless writing. Make sure to keep the outline exam-focused and evidence-driven. Now expand each heading into focused paragraphs. Ask the AI to write 80-120-word paragraphs that include one concrete example, one cause or consequence, and a linking sentence to the next point. While doing that, prompt the model for balanced evaluation, advantages, limitations, and at least one statistic if available. Once paragraphs are generated, consolidate transitions and ensure each paragraph answers the command word. If something feels generic, request stronger exam-specific language and policy names to increase credibility. Finish by compressing content to the exam's word or time limit. Retain a clear thesis, 3 to 4 substantive paragraphs, and a one-line conclusion. Then perform a clarity pass. Ask the AI to simplify complex sentences, raise or lower vocabulary level, and check factual consistency. If the AI makes an error, don't scrap the answer. Instead, give targeted correction prompts, supply the missing fact, or request a paragraph regeneration. One troubleshooting tip: when output drifts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.